So you need a little help, I see. I want to make sure that we get these 324 points. So let's see. Surface area, remember, front, back, those are going to be the same. Top, bottom, those are going to be the same. And right side, left side, those are going to be the same. And when you find the dimensions of all of those, let's start with the front. Front is about there, right? That's a 10 by 12. And then if you find the top's going to be this one. Let's get it close anyway. There's the top. Okay, the top, that's going to be a 12 by 2. All right, you can see the 12 by 2 here. That's this horizontal line and that diagonal line. So 12 by 2 is the top. And the bottom obviously will be the same. And then the right side, well, the right side's going to be, the right side's going to be this one. That, and that. There's the right side, and that's a diagonal line 2 by a vertical line 10. So 2 by 10, and then you should be able to find the areas of all of those faces and then add them all up. Okay, the next one is the same thing, only this one's a cube. So remember, with a cube, all of the areas of every face is exactly the same size, and there are 6 of them. So if you find the area of one of the faces, all of the faces are going to be the exact same area. So find the area of one of the faces and multiply by the number of faces, which is 6. And you should be able to get the surface area of that one. Okay, there's your help. Good luck.